Hello, this is Jordan from Nexus Property Management Fall River, and we are looking at 279 Fountain Street, Unit 1 in Fall River, Massachusetts. This is a first floor, 4-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment. This is a very large unit located in downtown Fall River, not too far off from South Main Street and next to many highway exits. This unit has hardwood floor throughout. A lot of the walls have been painted as well. Plenty of closet space. Right now we are in the main living room area where the main entrance would be. Then we have the second little parlor living room area here. Plenty of windows as well for nice natural lighting. See a little bit of the kitchen area off to the left. Coming up is the first bedroom with its own closet as well. Again, nice, beautiful hardwood floors, lots of light, nice sized closet. There are heaters in each unit, each room. Coming back out, see another one of those heaters. We can look at the kitchen here. Stainless steel sink, plenty of cabinet space, nice open area. Some panel floors as well. Moving around the corner, we're going to the second bedroom. Bedrooms are mostly the same size, can fit up to a twin size mattress, maybe a queen depending on your furnishings. Moving back out, you have the kitchen area with the tile floor. See off to the left the other part of the kitchen as well. Going to the third bedroom here. Again, each room has its own heater, so everyone can stay nice and warm during the cold winter seasons. Closet in the corner as well. And moving to the last bedroom. This is probably the largest bedroom, only so slightly. And then have a little bit of a yard area in the back. Closet as well. Baseboard heater. And coming back out, we have the bathroom, which has tile wall and panel flooring. Full-size tub and shower. Nice, beautiful sink. New medicine cabinet. Again, this is a very large first floor unit in downtown Fall River. And this unit is managed by Nexus Property Management. We have benefits such as key copying services, paying rent online, including auto pay, and access to a 24-hour hotline number for all your maintenance and repair needs. Again, this is 279 Fountain Street, Unit 1 in Fall River, Massachusetts.